Samsung Galaxy A22-5G release. Samsung Galaxy A22-5G looks like it might be the cheapest 5G phone Samsung's ever made, and it's one of the cheapest 5G phones you can get from any company. We've heard a lot about this phone and seen a lot of unofficial renders, so we know what to expect. Here are all the details we've heard so far, including the likely price, release date and specs. This phone isn't just cheap and packed with 5G, but also has a quad-lens camera, 6GB of RAM and more. A leaked Samsung product roadmap shared by Evan Bloss, a leaker with a great track record, has the Galaxy A22-5G slated for July. That said, the roadmap also lists Facebook's Unpacked event for April 14th, and that's actually scheduled for April 28th, so that's not right either. As for the price, that's rumored to be 200,000 South Korean won, around $180, pound 135, 240 Australian dollars, which would make it Samsung's cheapest 5G phone and one of the cheapest 5G phones from any company. You can see some of these below, and they show a phone that has a teardrop notch on the front, a square camera on the back, a lot of bezel below the flat screen, and a fingerprint scanner on the right edge. Source adds that the Samsung Galaxy A22-5G apparently has a 6.5-inch screen, and these renders are more or less in line with previous case renders. In the case renders, below, you can see the 3.5mm headphone port on the top edge and the camera lenses on the back, which we'll talk about later. In the meantime, the team at 91 Mobiles has joined the leak party, posting its own renders. Thankfully for the credibility of the rumor mill, they're pretty close to the first bunch of renders, so it looks like this will be the official design. Samsung Galaxy A22-5G camera is a bit unclear because the unofficial renders show a triple lens one with an LED flash, but the case renders show a quad lens one, which suggests they're wrong and one of the things they've shown as a lens is actually a flash. Do you know if the Galaxy A22-5G has triple lens camera? Well, probably not. The Alex says it has a quad lens camera with a 48MP main one, an 8MP, probably ultra-wide, one, and a pair of 2MP cameras, probably filling in macro and depth duties. The A22-5G has a 13MP selfie camera, and they're the same as Galaxy A21's specifications. Another leak from 91 Mobiles details the Samsung A22-5G's quad-lens 48MP plus 5MP plus 2MP rear camera, while the 4G LTE model will go for a 48MP plus 5MP plus 2MP plus 2MP camera. A benchmark appears to show a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset and 6GB of RAM, along with Android 11 and 5G. Those are low-end specs, but they're in line with the Galaxy A22-5G's price. Rumors say there'll be a 4G version of the phone, which will ditch 5G but upgrade other areas. This phone is said to run a MediaTek Helio G80 processor. The Samsung Galaxy A21s had a 5000 mAh battery, and sources say the Galaxy A22 will have the same, with a relatively low 15 watts charging speed.